I made 93,000 naira from this free app, guys. 93,000, almost 100,000 naira with a free app doing almost nothing. I can't believe this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. 93,000 naira from a free app. So I got to know about this app a couple of months ago after listening to somebody I respect so much talk about how he uses this app to save money, invest money, and even earn money. I decided to try it. So I created a free account. It took me just a few minutes to set up my account. I talked about it for some time and then I forgot about this app. So this morning I was like, okay, what about this app? Go check it and see what's going on there. I opened my account and I saw 93,000 naira. Oh my God. It is amazing. So in this video, I want to show you all about this app, how I was able to make this money and how you can actually start your own immediately. So if you're like me, you're looking for that free app that will help you make money, save money, and even invest money, this app does it all for you. So I'm going to break down how I was able to make this amount of money using this app in few months. At the moment, I have 93,490 naira 48 kobo on this app. Guys, I'm just excited. Now there are 3 different things I did to make this money. There are 3 different ways I was able to generate this 90 something thousand naira. The first one is referral earnings. So on this app, when you create a free account, you have a referral link assigned to you. When people sign up on this app using your referral link, the very moment they activate their account, this app will credit you 1,000 naira for bringing them. Like I made over 60,000 naira using this referral. The second way I made money is auto savings. So when you create account here, there's this package, they have a feature called auto savings, which means you can automatically save money on this app on a monthly basis or weekly basis or even daily basis as often as you want it. So what this auto savings does is that the very moment you activate your account, you go on to pick amount of money you want to be saving on a daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. Once you activate it, you connect the bank to this account. On the said day, this app is going to automatically debit your account and credit that amount of money on your app here. So that's actually one of the ways I was able to save over 60,000 naira on this app. Let me tell you what I love so much about this auto savings. Once you activate it, it becomes a part of you. This is money you would ordinarily waste. I mean, use it for things that you can't even account for, being automatically saved for you. So when I looked at this amount of money, I was like, wow, this app has really helped me save this amount of money because I connected a savings account I use for my monthly expenses. So what it means is that I would have wasted this amount of money this app saved for me. If you spend a lot of money, activating auto savings is everything. The third way I made money from this app is daily interest. So this app actually pays you daily interest for saving with them. It was actually one of the things that I love so much. You don't get something like that with our normal traditional banks. They would rather they beat you for saving with them, but the app pays you depending on how much you save with them or how much you have on your account. You can earn as high as 200, 500, 1,000 naira on a daily basis for saving your money on this app. So here's the most interesting part. You can actually invest your money on this app. So if you've been looking for a reliable investment, you can actually put your money, no matter how big or how small the money is, this app is going to do that for you. For example, on this app, you can actually invest in mutual funds. As you can see here, this is mutual funds. You can also buy US stocks on this app. A lot of investment bankers I know and people that are money savvy are using this app to save their money and even invest their money. If you'd love to start buying US stock, for example, this app actually is a great place to do that. They have a lot of experienced experts who's been in this game for many years. So look at this. This is the amount of money I was able to generate from referrals. I was able to get 1,904 people sign up using my referral link. If all these people that have signed up using my referral link have activated the account, that means I have like 1.9 million naira from this app. I mean, this is so sweet, right? Well, only 60 of them have activated the account, and that's why I have about 60,000 naira generated from this. For my auto savings, look at how much I have here. So I actually save 10,000 naira every month using this app. My goal is to actually generate a passive income, or something I consider a passive income, and then invest it here. That's why I activated the 10,000 naira monthly auto savings. When the money gets to a reasonable amount of money that I can buy maybe mutual fund or buy shares, I'm going to use the money to buy it. So the next thing in your mind is, how legit is this app? Well, the app is central bank approved and also insured by NDIC. So it's got everything a traditional bank has, which means it's legit. I know a couple of investment bankers who've been using this app for many years, both in buying stocks and a whole lot of other investments. And they've been talking about how, profitable this investment has been over the years. So this app is called Optimus app, and yes, it's working. It's working for me. If you are looking to use an app to save money and invest money, let's say, for example, you want to buy mutual funds, you want to buy US stock, you don't even know how to go about it, you don't have USD accounts to get this done. On this app, you can actually get this thing done using your Naira account, because when you create a free account here, you can always convert your Naira to dollar and use that to buy the stock. You can see the US stock here you can buy. You can also see their mutual funds. So if you're a novice, you're not techie, and you're looking for a simple way to get this whole thing done without a lot of headache, this app will do that for you, because they have a lot of experienced experts who do this management. They've been doing it for so many years. So to a large extent, this is reliable. So the next thing is to go on and create account, start earning money, start saving. So to create a free account for yourself, all you need is to click on the link in the first comment of this video or in the description of the video. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this place where you're going to create a free account for yourself. And I made this video here step by step how to create an account for a beginner. You need to watch it. The link is also contained in the first comment of this video. It takes few minutes to create accounts. Why creating the account? Because this app is recognized by CBN and insured by NDIC. You'll be required to submit all your details, your name, your BVN, and all of that. It is safe. I have done that. I mean, I submitted mine when I was creating the account. So once you get to that stage, go on and submit these details. Start saving, start investing, start earning daily interest on your savings. So in summary, I made over 60,000 naira from referrals. I've saved over 60,000 naira from my auto savings. Now the question is, how is it at 90,000 when you've got 60,000 here, 60,000 here? Well, I've actually withdrawn money from this app before now. The first time I started saving on this app, I needed to make sure that it's legit. It's something you can deposit money and withdraw the money. There are some apps that will actually allow you to deposit, but withdrawal becomes a problem. So when I started, I deposited some money and then I went on to withdraw it to make sure that it's a seamless transaction, like you are able to withdraw whatever you deposit. And it was so smooth, so stress-free. So to create a free account, go on and click on the link in the first comment of this video. It's going to open for you to create account. As soon as you're done creating your account, you need to fund your wallet. You need to save up to 2,000 naira on the app to be able to use all these features and then start getting paid when people sign up using your referral link. So to get your referral link, all you need is to open your profile. Click on profile here and it's going to open. If you look at this here, you are going to see referral. This link here is your referral link. When you copy it, anybody that clicks on it and creates a free account using this your referral link, you will be credited 1,000 naira for bringing them on board. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.